Going to explain basic calibration of the new style E to Ps. Need a test gauge. Each E to P has a 0 pot and a span pot. The 0 pot is right next to the word 0. The span pot is right above the word span. You basically turn the E to P off, 0 volts. You adjust the 0 pot until you get a slight amount of air out of the output port, and you adjust it up and down until you get a little bit of air and then no air. 0 air with 0 volts is what you're looking for. And if you plug in the gauge to the output, now you apply full voltage, 5 volts DC to the E to P, and then you adjust the span potentiometer until you get 80 psi on the gauge. 0 to 5 volts DC input equals 0 to 80 psi output. So you would repeat this every single unit until you're completed.